Engane zakwethu siyabingelela kuphi nakuphi lapho unya khona lo mbuso njengamanje ubingelela uyena Mathinto Wacebisa. Ngane kwethu sibingelela asikho right emoyeni njengoba-ke uKhuzani sedlulise ukungenami noma-ke ukungajabuli kwakhe ngesehle sesimehlele laphana kushone ugogo Mrs Cagwe Mpungose. Ngokwestatement esirelease uKhuzani laphana sithi press release for immediately 24 December 2024. Khuzani mourns the passing of his beloved grandmother Kandla KwaZulu-Natal. IT is with a heavy heart that the Mpungose family announced the passing of their loved matriarch eyisingane zakwethu uGogo Cagwe, who was Maskandi superstar Mpungose only living grandparent, was the backbone and core of who he is. After her ailing healthy, Gogo took her last breath on 23 December 2024 in front of Khuzani while at home in Kandla, KZN. She was his only surviving relatives as after the passing of both his parents, Gogo Cagwe became both Khuzani parent and grandparent. As Khuzani mourns his grandmother, unfortunately some of his shows where he is expected to perform this week until Gogo Cagwe is laid to rest will be affected, as he will be unable to make it to his mourning period. Khuzani and his family would like to thank everyone for their support and prayers during his difficult time. Khuzani udlulisa ukudlula kukagogo laphana uGogo Cagwe wasesho ukuthi cha imicimbi abelindeleke kuyona akasezukuba khona ngesimo-ke esesehlele ugogo wakhe laphana owaziwa kakhulu ngogogo uCagwe. Cha ilale ngokuphumula intombi yakaCagwe laphana-ke ibiganele kaMpungose bafowethu kuvela ukuthi laphana yazalwa ngo-1936 ngo-August 18 njengoba-ke isidlule ngawo-ke 2024 ngenyanga ka-12 ngeyi-23 isikhathi-ke impela esingenaso. Asafakazana-ke iy'thombe laphana siyafisa ukuthi sisidudu emndenini wakaMpungose siphinde sisidudu kuyona-ke insizwe siyazi kakhulu lana kumaskandi uKhuzani Mvuka Mpungose. Ngane kwethu adlulise-ke ukungenami noma-ke adlulise ukuzolana naye uKhuzani kulesi simo abhekene naso.